How to fix the SHEIN application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your SHEIN application is not working, here are the way out which should help. First and foremost, long press your SHEIN application and go to app info. Then after, head over to storage and cache. Clear the cache and clear the data. Then after, you can log in back again and see if the app is working. Next up, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for the same application and tap on Update button if any update is available. Before heading over to open the application, close all the background applications and restart your device. After that, if you relaunch the application, it will ask you to log in. Log in using your correct credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can switch between the mobile data and Wi-Fi to stabilize the internet connection. And this way, your app should be working fine. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.